Our beef tallow is a huge hit. The question comes up, how do you guys ship it if I just want beef tallow? So obviously, if you're placing a beef order, we're going to put your tallow in with your frozen beef shipment. Makes it a lot simpler on you. It's all coming at one time. But if you just want to order tallow, got these cool little boxes like this right here. We ship these via USPS, and they usually make it to you in 2 to 3 days. So if you're on our website and you're wanting just tallow, you'll see that this is a much more affordable shipping option than if you're trying to get a frozen shipment headed your way.